How are you?
I'm a
Do you know me?
Igbo evangelist Chukwuebuka Anoziobi.
God bless you.
Ika na asụ bekee sụwa n'Igbo na.
Ole aha gị?
What where out to?
Ole steeti isi?
Akuma, Noro East, local government area, nke dị na Imo State na Nigeria.
Mama gị bụ onye ebe?
Onye Belgium.
Belgium. Ebe ka a mụrụ gị?
Na Belgium.
Na Belgium ka a mụrụ gị. Mama gị bụ onye Belgium?
Hey.
And na Praise God.
Yeah, that is Governor Adeleke of Osun State speaking Igbo like no man's business. Can you do it? Yes. Is it achievable? Yes. Is it easy? No. If you put your head down, can you do it? Yes, you can. Motivation to tell you that it's not impossible to speak Igbo language. Yeah, we're trying, okay? We're trying, and you have to try as well.